Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm 34 years old and I'm from Sydney, Australia. Yeah, so I first heard about Vera Clinic online through Instagram, social media, and I'm really glad that I did. I've been looking at getting my hair restored for quite a few years now. It's getting a little bit thin on top and the back, so I wanted to get it sorted straight away. Yep, so when I first started chatting to Vera Clinic online, it was through WhatsApp, which was really great because I am based in Australia, so there's a bit of a time difference, and it was wonderful. Everything I needed was provided. All the staff have been fantastic, so I got all of the information I needed through the online portal. It was great. My consultation here was fantastic. I had wonderful translators, which was great. So lots of assistance from everybody, so it's been very seamless. My expectations were that I would walk away having some more hair, so all my expectations have been met. It's been wonderful. Everything's been 10 out of 10 from Vera. It's been wonderful, very organized, seamless. The information's been concise. It's great. The surgical process itself was really comfortable, very easy. I was relaxed. Anything I needed was provided for, and I got to just sit back, listen to some music. It was fantastic. Yeah, so in terms of aftercare, I arrived today. I was picked up from my hotel and everything was taken care of, all my questions. And again, I had a wonderful translator here to support me, and I was able to get my hair washed and cleaned and everything was stepped out, so really easy. The clinic's been amazing, very clean, very hygienic, everything from the moment you walk in, getting your shoes covered, to all of the areas around the facilities that you need to visit, everything's wonderful and hygienic. From end to end, from being in Australia to actually landing here, getting picked up from the airport, and then everything in between has been amazing, 10 out of 10. I've had another friend that came over to Turkey and was at a different clinic, and we've been chatting, and it sounds like everything I've got through Vera has been 10 out of 10 and much better, so I would absolutely recommend everyone to come here. Thank you very much, everyone. It's been great.